Exercise 4.5, question number 2. Construction of a rhombus whose two diagonals are given 5.2 and 6.4. So this you did earlier also. The figure does not have any side given. Since only diagonal is given, the figure will be made with diagonal. The rhombus is given. There is no name given, so let's give name to it. A, B, C, D. One is 6.4, one diagonal is 6.4, another diagonal is 5.2. So since only diagonals are given, the figure will be made by using diagonals only. Okay, so A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A is not given. So now let's see how to make this figure. So you will make rough figure on the right side as I have told you, small, and then you will see the rough figure and make your main figure. So first you will make one diagonal AC. Diagonal AC is given 6.4. So draw it 6.4. Then draw its perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector of this line means you will put the compass at A, cut two arcs like this, then put the compass at C, cut second arc like this, and then draw a line. This line will be the perpendicular bisector of this. So this line cuts at point P, where it is cutting the line AC. Now this perpendicular will be the diagonal, but this diagonal has total length 5.2. So 5.2 means the half of 5.2 will be on the upper part of AC and half of 5.2 will be on the lower side of AC. So the point P you will take. From point P you will cut half of 5.2. So half of 5.2 is 2.6. So keep your compass at P and cut 2.6 arc. This is half of this. Then keep your compass at P, cut another arc which is 2.6. So you have made two arcs which are cutting each other. Where you have cut, you give the name to these first. So one will be the upper line, you can call A, B, C, and where you have cut, that is point D. Now the figure is complete. You have to just join AB, join BC, join AD, and join DC. The rhombus is made by joining this. Now what important thing you have to see is which part you will join. You have to join this line where it is cutting. Join this point. It will not be joined this. Most of the children make this mistake. You will not join here. You will not join at the lower cross. You will join where you have cut 2.6. So from P you have cut PB and PD. So you will join the line AD, DC, BC and AB. Okay, this way the figure will be complete. So A, B, C, D is a rhombus in which AB, BC, CD, DA will automatically become equal. After this you will write the steps. In the steps you will write that first draw diagonal AC is equal to 6.4. Second step, draw its perpendicular bisector cutting at P. Draw the perpendicular bisector cutting at P. Then you have made two arcs, so you will write cut two arcs PB and PD. And in the next step you will write join AB, BC, CD, DA and in the last one you can write ABCD is the rhombus form. This is how the construction will be done.